परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तरशत श्रीमद् एसी भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी शीला प्रभुपाद की गौर प्रेमानंदे श्री श्री राधा रास बिहारी ललिता विशाखा की श्री श्री सीताराम शर्मान की श्री श्री गौर निताय की शिला प्रभुपाद की अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की all glories to assembled devotees, all glories to assembled devotees, all glories to assembled devotees, all glories to Shri Shri Guru and Gauranga. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवति उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी. Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 13, text number 35 लगाओ. Text number 35. व्रजस्य रामः प्रेमरुद्धे वीक्षा औकण्ठ्यम् अनुक्षणं मुक्तस्तनेषु अपत्येषु अपि अहेतुवित् अचिन्तयत्. व्रजस्य रामः प्रेमार्धे वीक्षौकण्ठ्यम् अनुक्षणम् मुक्तस्तनेशपत्सेष्वपि अहेतुविद् अचिन्तय. व्रजस्य रामः प्रेमार्धे वीक्षौत्कण्ठ्यम् अनुक्षणम् मुक्तस्तनेशपत्सेष्वपि अहेतुविद् अचिन्तय. व्रजस्य रामः प्रेमार्धे वीक्षौकण्ठ्यम् अनुक्षणम् मुक्तस्तनेष्वपत्सेष्वपि अहेतुविद् अचिन्तय. Mataji's. Vrajasya, of the herd of cows. Ramaha, Balarama. Premarde, because of an increase of affection. Viksha, after observing. Outkantyam, attachment. Anukshanam, constantly. Muktastaneshu, who had who had grown up with, and were no longer drawing milk from their mothers. Apatyeshu, in regard to those calves. Api, even. Ahetu, with, not understanding the reason. Achintayat, began to consider as follows. Translation purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Because of an increase of affection, the cows had constant attachment even to those calves that were grown up and had stopped sucking milk from their mothers. When Baladeva saw this attachment, he was unable to understand the reason for it, and thus he began to consider it as follows. Purport. The cows had younger calves who had started sucking milk from their mothers, and some of the cows had newly given birth. But now, because of love, the cows enthusiastically showed their affection for the older calves, which had left off milking. These calves were grown up, but still the mothers wanted to feed them. Therefore, Balarama was a little surprised, and he wanted to inquire from Krishna about the reason for their behavior. The mothers were actually more anxious to feed the older calves, although the new calves were present. Because the older calves were expansions of Krishna, these surprising events were taking place by the manipulation of Yogamaya. There are two Mayas working under the direction of Krishna. Mahamaya, the energy of the material world, and the Yogamaya, the energy of the spiritual world. These uncommon events were taking place because of the influence of Yogamaya. From the very day on which Brahma stole the calves and boys, Yogamaya acted in such a way that the residents of Vrindavan, including even Lord Brahma, could not understand how Yogamaya was working and causing such uncommon things to happen. But as Yogamaya gradually acted, Balarama in particular was able to understand what was happening, and therefore he inquired from Krishna. We will read out text number 34 also. Tataha pravyasho gopas tokaslesha sunirvrataha kruchachaner apagatas tad anusmriti udashravaha. Therefore, the elderly coward men, having obtained great feeling from embracing their sons, gradually and with great difficulty and reluctance, ceased embracing them and returned to the forest. But as the men remembered their sons, tears began to roll down from their eyes. Purport. In the beginning, the coward men were angry that the cows were being attracted by the calves. But when the men came down from the hill, they themselves were attracted by their sons, and therefore the men embraced them. To embrace one's son and smell his head are symptoms of affection. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gauravakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So here we have Brahma Vimohan Leela, the most wonderful Leela. He is folding. Actually, what is Leela? Krishna is known as Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Right? Also, Krishnastu Leela Swayam. So, he is Leela Purushottam Bhagavan also. So, what is meant by Leela? Anybody? Huh? Leela means what is that? Activity. Yeah, activity. So when we do, it is the reaction of karma. It is Shudra Leela. Right? When we perform some activities, so we should not remember. Right? That is why when we are chanting Hare Krishna, we should not remember our past activities, because they are Shudra Leelas. Right? So that is why Anugrahaya Bhaktanam, there is one verse where Krishna came down and performed all these wonderful activities so that we can remember them. And then by remembering, by hearing those pastimes, we get purified. So Leela means an activity performed by Krishna without being forced to act. Right? He was not forced to act. He acts by his own free will, for his own pleasure. And then without working too hard. Right? Without working too hard. Like when Krishna lifted Govardhan hill, it is described, in order to tease Indra, he did not even, Kamar Kastena, he did not even tighten his waist belt. Just like an elephant picks up a lotus flower, he picked it up. Right? Just like our Dr. N.D. Desai, Nathji Prabhu, he was going to Chinmayananda Swami at that time. Then he was arguing with Srila Prabhupada, I am God, this and that. Prabhupada was very angry. Then one day, Prabhupada told him, okay, your Guru says that he is God. Krishna lifted Govardhan hill. Tell him to lift a table with his left hand. Then when Nathji Prabhu went and told Chinmayananda Swami that Hare Krishna Guruji is challenged like you, that Krishna lifted Govardhan hill. He is asking, can you lift a table with your left hand with left little finger? What, mad or what? So he given up, then he became Prabhupada's follower. Like that. So Leela means one who, he does it by his own free will without being forced, and then he does the work, he does the Leela, and then he doesn't get entangled. That is Leela. He doesn't get entangled. And then he gets lot of pleasure by doing that activity. He is not he is not working too hard or anything. And the most important thing is, there is a tattva behind every Leela. That is Leela. So Krishna performs Leelas mostly, so they are so wonderful. Many times I have explained who is a Vrajavasi. Mike. Who is a Vrajavasi? Anybody?
One who quiets his body in Braj is Brajvasi. One who leaves body in Braj.
Yeah, very good. And anything else?
Who wants to serve Krishna at any time, place, circumstance.
हाँ गुड्डू क्या नाम है अभी? हाँ गुणदया में।
हरे कृष्ण। बहुत प्रकार से बताए थे कि कौन है ब्रजवासी। जैसे मरता है वहाँ ब्रज में वो भी ब्रजवासी है, और कृष्णा सेंटर में जैसे बताए थे कि जब गोकुल से ब्रज में जाने के लिए सब लोग तैयार हो गए थे तो वो ब्रजवासी है। मतलब इधर भी सेंटर कृष्णा होना चाहिए, वो ब्रजवासी है। जैसे माधवेंद्र पुरी शरीर तो ब्रज में नहीं त्यागे थे, लेकिन फिर भी वो ब्रजवासी हैं क्योंकि उनका सेंटर कृष्ण था। तो हम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि शरीर ब्रज में त्यागा तो ब्रजवासी है। तो माधवेंद्र पुरी भी ब्रज से बाहर रहकर भी शरीर वो त्यागे थे, तो उनको भी ब्रजवासी बोलेंगे क्योंकि उस सेंटर में कृष्ण थे। हरे कृष्ण।
हाँ very good. So I will tell you. Many times I told you all forgot. So Vrajavasi means, if you see, suppose if I am born, somebody is, or some of you are born. Where are you born? Mumbai. Did whole Mumbai celebrate? Right? Maybe some of your family members must have celebrated. Vraj means, Vrajavasi means, when Krishna is born, the whole Vraj has celebrated. Because Krishna is so for whom life, Krishna is the center, that is. And then number 2, just like he told, if there is a problem in Nandamara's house, it is everybody's problem. Because they're saying, Krishna is being attacked, so we should move out. Okay, we are also moving out. So the whole Vraj, has moved out from Gokul. It's very difficult, like all those people who have fathers, my father was an engineer in PWD. So every time he was to get transferred, every 2 years pack up, my mother used to so fed up, So it's not like, but Krishna is, no, Vrajavasis, Krishna is being transferred, go from Gokul to Vrindavan, chalo, we are also coming. From there again, Mahavan they went. We are having such big palaces and all, we are settled here, you go. No. That is Vrajavasi, right? When there is a Shubha Shakun, Shubha Shakun hote hai, right? Auspicious symptoms and all. So when there is some bad omens are being seen in Vrindavan during Kali Mardan Leela. So for us, for a man, if right side twitches, there is a vibration or twitching is there, eyes, leg, hand, that means it is good for the man. For a woman, left side, left eye, left hand, left thigh twitches, then it is good for woman. But in Vrindavan, good omen, bad omen means, if there is a twitching in the left eye and all, something is happening to Krishna. It is auspicious when they saw bad omens in in the sky and all. They thought, something is they didn't think something is happening to us. They said something is happening to Krishna. Right? Just like when Rama and Sugriva, they signed a friendship bond. You know, they were circumambulating about the fire. So 3 people for the left side twitched. Vibration took place. You know why? Who are they? Ravanasur, Vali and Sita. For Sita it is auspicious. For Vali and Ravanasur it is inauspicious. Like that. So Vrajavasi means if any bad omens are happening, that means something is happening to Krishna. If good omens are happening, that means something good is happening to Krishna. So it is not about them it is anymore. It is about Krishna. So that is Vrajavasi. Right? Nowhere, who is a gopi, you know, elderly gopi and younger gopi is there. So who is a gopi, elderly gopi, you know, Mata. No, like scientifically also it is proven that no mother would ever love a son, somebody else's son more than she loves her son. But Vrajavasi Mataji means they love Krishna more than their sons. Right? So that is Vrajavasi. Who is a gopi? What is that? Very nice. The Tatvik Artha, you know, what is a gopi? Gobir Indriyair Krishna Bhakti Rasa Pibati. What is that? Gobir Indriyair Krishna Bhakti Rasa Pibati. Means one who drinks Krishna Bhakti Rasa with all their senses is a gopi. How many gopis are there? So gopi is not a Stri Vachan. Right? Gopi is not a Stri Vachan. You know, Prahlad Maharaj can be gopi. You know, Ambarish Maharaj can be gopi. Narad Muni can be gopi. It is a bhav, actually. It is a bhav. Gopi bhav. Right? They had a Gopi Bhav club, you know, like that. So Gopi Bhav. So what is Gopi? Gopi is the one. How many gopis are here? Oh, one is huh? Right? So Ambarish Maharaj, right? Savai Mana Krishna Padara. So Prahlad Maharaj also taught the same thing, that, you know, with ears you hear about Krishna, with eyes you see Krishna, with legs you walk towards Krishna's temple, with hands you clean the temple, right? With sparsha you embrace the devotees, and then with the grana, tulsi, enjoy the tulsi. So this is gopi, this is what, actually 9th Canto Bhagavatam and all, what is 9th Canto Bhagavatam is teaching us, first you become free from lust, then drink the Krishna's bhakti with all your senses, become a gopi, right? That's what Ambarish Maharaj was teaching us, right? So another definition of gopi is one who is maintained by Krishna is a gopi. So we are all gopis or not? Everybody in this world is maintained by Krishna only. So who is a gopi? Gopi, I told bhava. So one who understands that I am being maintained by Krishna is a gopi. Right? One more definition of gopi. Who is a stri? Stri. Stri means one who, three aspects are there in stri. A woman now, not nowadays, but in general, like previously, a woman has three qualities. One is ahankar rahityam. She is free from ahankar. And then arpana buddhi. You know, arpana buddhi. And then complete paratantrata. She has no ahankar. She is simply serving husband. Right? She is simply serving husband. Like, you know what is, like we have heard dasatvam. What is dasatvam? To say that I am servant of so and so. Right? Huh? What is dasatvam? Dasatvam means to give up ahankara. So I am a Ram Rup Das. You know, it's not when I will become Ram Rup Das only when I give up my ahankar and serve Ramchandra or Krishna. Then that is Ram Rup Das. Otherwise simply name. Simply name. So ahankar rahityam, that is dasatvam. Right? So when you don't have ahankar, then what happens? Suppose, you know, you, like Prabhupada says, you serve anybody, they will give something in return. Right? Bekari se begari acha hai, Prabhupada told. You know, instead of sitting jobless, do some work even without salary. Nobody, go to the kirana shop wala and say, mal wala, say, no, I don't want salary, I will just work for you. He will give you at least food, Prabhupada said. Something he will give. Nobody will take service, you know, without giving something. Unless they are film actors and, you know, politicians. You know, they all want free, you know. Like, I approached one Miss World, you know, for Kalash. Arey, aap Swami ji, aap, you know, free mein de dena. You know, free, they want everything free, you know. Politicians also, Prabhupada also said, you know. Have you seen any politician giving donations? They all pukat chandans, you know. So, Prabhupada, actually it is said that, you know, don't take service from anybody without giving in something in return. Otherwise, you have to become maid servant of that person. Suppose you go to some hotel, they lift you, you know, suitcase and all. Give some 10 rupees. You know, somebody comes and does some massage for you. Give something, you know, or at least knowledge you give. You take anything free service, you have to become maid servant and do mopping. Jadu Phatka. You know, next life, Jadu Phatka lagana padega. So be careful. No free service. You know, you should not never take like that. So dasatva means, so Krishna, suppose if you serve Krishna, he will give something, right? So whatever he gives, we take it. Ahankara rahityam. So that is, so these three aspects, stri, you know, striyatvam, you know, that is ahankara rahityam, arpana buddhi and paratantrata, completely dependent on her husband. Like that. So in this world, everybody should become Stri, and there is only one Purusha, that is Krishna. Right? That is Krishna. Like that. So here Krishna is performing all these leelas. Either you become a gopi or a Vrajavasi. Either you become a gopi or Vrajavasi. That is the intention of Lord Krishna. So these wonderful pastime, every pastime has some tattva, and Krishna performed different all these wonderful pastimes to give perfection to certain sadhakas who have already taken birth in Vrindavan. You know, certain sadhakas. So for, you know, like that. So this wonderful pastime, because the cows, like Putana Leela, he Putana Uddar. Damodar Leela, he gave perfection to Mother Yashoda. Right? And then Vastraharan Leela, he prepared the gopis for future perfection in Ras Leela pastime. That is Nandi, like that. Each pastime, like that. So here, Krishna is giving perfection to three kinds of people. One is the coward woman who wanted, like yesterday that Prabhuji was giving good class, he was telling, that all these ladies, they were praising Krishna's, Mother Yashoda's good fortune, and they also got that good fortune. So this is, so Krishna wanted to give perfection to all the Matajis who are actually desiring to give milk to Krishna. And all the cows that who are desiring to give milk to Krishna. Right? He gave perfection to all. And then to Brahma. Right? Brahmaji. So Brahma Vimohan Leela is not meant for insulting Brahma. It is not meant for insulting Brahma, like Madhvacharya and all they thought. It is meant for, Prabhupada writes, to increase love of Brahma, because he was working very hard. 50 years ho gaya. 50 saal se, he was maintaining the, he was creating and all that. So Krishna is pleased. Right? Krishna is pleased. Like it is said that Bhagavan Brahmakasnena Trin Anviksha Manishaya Adyavasta Kutasto Rati Atmanam Tato Bhavet. This is a verse from second canto Bhagavatam. Brahmaji, Bhagavan Brahmakasnena, he was addressed as Brahma. He read Vedas 3 times. Not our Vedas, this Veda. There in Brahmaloka it contained 1 billion verses. 1 billion verses. Right? So we have a problem, reading 700 verses Bhagavad Gita. Right? 18,000 verses Bhagavatam. How many of you finished 18,000 verses Bhagavatam? How many times? Anybody finished all 18,000 verses? See? So we have a problem. But Brahmaji read Vedas 3 times. 1 billion verses. That is why he is known as Manishaya. He is considered the most intelligent person in the world. Then he decided, after reading Vedas 3 times, with Kutasto being fixed, then he said, worshipping Krishna is the best. Rati Atmanam Yato Bhavet. He concluded that devotional service to Krishna is the best. Then in second canto Bhagavatam, we have studied how Krishna showed, how Krishna, Lord Narayana, he explained Chatushloki Bhagavatam, Chatushloki Bhagavatam to Brahma. So this pastime is the exhibition, practical demonstration of this Chatushloki Bhagavatam to Brahmaji. Brahmaji. So I hope the concepts, basic concepts are clear. Right? What is Leela? Yeah, Brahmaji, there's ladies and then cows. Like that. And those who hear this pastime. Right? So one must be very clear. All this tattva, everything should be very clear, this tattva. Right? Who is a Vrajavasi? Who is a Gopi? What is Leela? Yeah? Why Krishna performs all these wonderful pastimes. Like that. So this pastime, actually, so very, very twists and turns and so many tattvas are involved and so many 2-3 Upanishads arthas, it is explained. Krishna performed this while performing this pastime, like that. Last time I forgot to tell you that anybody who meditates on the pastime of Krishna sitting in the center and all the coward boys, sitting in the circle and taking prasadam, looking at Krishna's lotus face, right? If anybody meditates and hears that pastime, any annasambandha dosha will go away. Means if you have eaten something which is not offered, Domino's pizza or something, without onion garlic, or from Vrindavan hotel, sambar and idli, right? Huh? So there is some glorification of a senior devotee. They were all saying, so and so devotee is taking us to that hotel and this hotel. It is a glorification. How it is very funny. Bhoga, eating bhoga. So if you are eating bhoga like that, so if you remember this pastime, that annasambandha dosha will go away. If you like that, so that is why. So then after that, all of you heard that how Brahmaji, he thought, we know Narayana is our master. We know Narayana is our master, but this Krishna, what is this? Abhiras. They are Vrajavasis, the Nanda Maharaj and all. They belong to Abhira. Where this word comes? Kirata Hunandra Pulinda Pukasa Abhira Shamba Yavana Kashadaya. They are Vanacharis. Those moving from one place to another place. Like that. How Krishna, the Narayana entered where? Here, and doing all this, eating, juta of, coward boys who do not know the difference between right hand and left hand. The Vaishyas, they are compared. Those who do not know the difference between right hand and left hand. Right? So, we know some devotees with eating with left hand, like that. So all these devatas, they are very proud of their upadhi, and they look down upon human beings. The upadhi of manava is considered very low by devatas. So we are all, I am such a big devata. When Narayana, when he goes down to coward boy, what to speak of Brahma? Even Vaikuntavasis, they have a very low regard for Krishna's pastimes as a coward boy. Some Vaikuntavasis. When Gopakumar entered Vaikuntha, so he was purposefully kept ignorant. Then he was seeing everybody Narayana, Narayana. Then he would say, "Oh Narayana, Namo Narayana." He would fall down. "Arey, what are you doing? I am not Narayana, I am not Narayana." Whoever, "No, Om Namo Narayana." He would see another person, said, "Om Namo Narayana." "Hey, Shiva, Shiva, I am not Narayana." Like that. So one gentleman explained, "Arey Baba, Narayana means there is a Kaustuba gem and Srivatsa mark." "Oh, come, you want to see Narayana? I want to see Narayana." So he is in the coward boy form. Right? So he saw there is a resemblance of Krishna in Narayana because he was chanting Gopal mantra. So he was attached to Gopal, coward boy. When he said, "Hey Gopal," then he started running towards Narayana. Narayana was sitting on the asan, golden asan and all, with Chaturbhuj, and surrounded by all 16 types of energies and all that, all the, Jai Vijay to gate pe hai, baki, jo bhi hai, like that. And then he started running, Narayana, Gopal, Gopal, Gopal. They said, that some Vishnudutas, and they were horrified. "What are you doing? You are calling Gopal, Gopal." They are saying, "Oh Lord," Sahasra Purusha, they are accustomed to, addressing the Lord with awe and reverence. Then he is simply addressing Narayana as Gopal, Gopal, Gopal. He is not Gopal. What are you doing? You cannot embrace Narayana. You can't embrace Narayana. Right? Like, very, it's considered offense if you go and embrace Narayana. Narayana also doesn't embrace everybody. They all, protocol, strict protocol. All, when you go to army, you have to, right? If you don't do that, they will court-martial you. Like that, with Narayana is also like that only. You can't go and, give your juta to Narayana. Like that. And then they said, Narayana said, okay. Let him, Like that. So, it is described in Brihad Bhagavatamrita that some of the Vaikuntavasis, they talk very disparagingly, or what this Krishna does, coward boy, eating jutas, taking care of the cows. Our Narayana is very great. Like that. Some Vaikuntavasis, they have some sympathy like that. Anyway, so Brahmaji thought that, I will do some trick like that. So Krishna understood, right? Krishna, he became, the coward boys, the calves, and the ganti, the bells that were hanging around the necks of the calves, and the flute sticks, bugle, everything, that is, and then not only that, somebody is tall, somebody is, speaking very fast, somebody speaks very slowly, somebody has some limping, somebody is has some idiosyncrasy, means like our Prataparudra's son had this idiosyncrasy that like, or sometimes some people, they have, they keep shaking their head, or some people, they have bad habit of cleaning, nose picking. Some, everybody, like this, they have different habits, different forms. It is not very surprising that Rupam Bahurupam Babau. This is a Upanishad Vakya. Because Krishna sitting in the heart, as a Paramatma, he knows everybody, how they look, and he is the one who gives Rupa to our karma. He is the one who gives, to different people. And he is the one who is present in everybody's heart and running the show. Right? That's what Prabhupada says. He is present in all of us as super consciousness. Ishvara Chaitanyam. Right? There are two Chaitanyas in our heart. One is individual consciousness and there is super consciousness. Like that. So this is a very beautiful scenery. Actually, this pastime explains Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Right? Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Yathagne kshudra vishfulinga vicharanti evam eva asmat atmanah sarve pranah sarve lokah sarve devah sarve bhutani vicharanti. So this is a Brihad Aranyaka Upanishad which explains this pastime. Right? There is a fire, like in Havan, there is a fire was lit, and then there is Agni. When there is Agni, there are so many sparks, fiery sparks. Right? There are so many. How many? So many. Like that. What does that fiery spark consist of? Huh? Agni only. Like that, Krishna is there, and then he expanded into so many forms. Sarve lokaha, he expanded into so many lokas. Sarve prajaha, sarve bhutani, sarve pranaha. In every heart, that prana also is Krishna only. Right? And then sarve lokaha, sarve devaha, all devas. And then sarve bhutani, all the elements. He is the one who expanded into all these things. Here also we see Krishna expanding into so many of these covered boys, calves, and their, all their, paraphernalia also. All the paraphernalia also. Such a beautiful thing. Who is going? Covered boys? Who is going? The calves? No. We are seeing Krishnas going. Krishnas. So many Krishnas are going. The covered, the calves, which are being controlled by the coward boys, and then all the coward boys who are controlling the calves, and then Krishna himself controlling everybody else. So this is the beauty of this pastime. And then when he reached there, he has to go to everybody's house in the same way. Sometimes if children, when they reach after the school, when they reach the home, every child behaves differently. One child goes, then Ma, I have come. And then he falls down very tired, and then Ma has to give boost, right? The secret of my energy, boost, right? She has to give the boost or Horlicks, right? Some children, they say, Ma, I'm going. Immediately they leave the school bag and then they go for playing. Some students, they come and, the sons, they come and throw the school bag. The mother has to, pick it up and keep it nicely. Some people, some sons, they will go and, catch hold of mother's pallu. So mother has to take care. Like that, every child acts differently, right? So Krishna, how does Krishna know? Because Krishna is living, he is going to their house, his own house, but he is not going anywhere. But how does he know? Again, Bhagavad Gita 15:15, Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishto matta smritirjnanam apohanam cha. Right? He is the one who is the remembrance, who is giving remembrance. So he knows how each child is acting. Each child is acting. So many Upanishad tattvas are involved in this. Like that. And not only that, somebody is tall, somebody is short, somebody is langda, somebody is stammering, right? Sometimes, when the heroes, they have to play some role, they worry about image building, image, aisa kaisa, But Krishna, for him, all upadhis he accepted. Krishna has accepted all upadhis. Like that. So here the secret comes. So he was acting exactly same like all the coward boys, that all the ladies, they did not get any doubt. They didn't get any doubt that these are not my sons. Like explained by many devotees, that they have actually, previously they had more love for Krishna than their own sons. Now, whatever love they were showing it to Krishna, now they were showing to their sons only, because they are all Krishnas. They are Krishnas. But here, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur adds one very interesting point, that even though all the mothers, they are showing same love for Krishna, same love that they are showing for Krishna to their sons. But Krishna is also showing same love to all the women. Actually, which is not correct, because he was supposed to act like their sons. Which they are supposed to act like their sons. But he is not acting like their sons in this regard of showing love for their, because when Krishna was showing love to them, same love Krishna is showing to them, not like their sons. Sons are not loving their mothers so much, because they are also loving Krishna also only. They are only just living, in their houses. They are not loving their mothers so much, because Vrajavasi means, they love Krishna more than their family members. But here Krishna is showing, so Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says that even though Krishna is the controller of Brahma, Shiva and Vishnu, even Vishnu also, even all his expansions are dependent on him. But still Krishna is dependent on love. Krishna is dependent on love. So this is the secret. Then, so he says, quoting Sridhar Swami, that this is not a defect, because the mothers are showing so unlimited love for Krishna, being influenced by their love, Krishna was also showing so much love on the mothers, on their mothers. So, even though Krishna controls everything, prema controls Krishna. Krishna is dependent on prema. Right? So, that is the secret. Then Sridhar Swami says that, so it is not a defect. Krishna depending on Krishna, on prema, is not defect, but it is an ornament, because it is, it shows his Bhakta Vatsalyata. Bhakta Vatsalyata. So, coming to this verse, Lord Balaram, here it is explained that the cows, even though the newly born calves are there, and then those milk drinking calves are there, still they are preferring to give milk to those calves who already given up drinking milk. Why? Because it is Krishna. Though all those calves are Krishna. Right? So, all this while, why Balaram did not come to know? Balaram is his immediate expansion, and because of he is the cause of this universe, Balaram, and he is a very intimate friend of Krishna. Why Krishna kept him in deceived? Even Balaram also did not come to know that, right? Why? Anybody? Why Krishna kept him, Balaram, deceived?
Balaram could not have tolerated the separation from cow.
Yeah, very nice. So, out of love for Balaram, because now these boys are separated from Krishna. Of course, Krishna was not separated from them, but they were kept aside. And then that time Balaram was not there on that day. So Krishna thought, if I tell Balaram like this, then he would have been separated from Sridham and some of his intimate coward boyfriends. So that is why Krishna did not tell Balaram. And also because Krishna is already associating with them, in his future, in searching for those boys already. So Krishna was not feeling separation from them. But Balaram would have felt. Right? So that is the reason why. And then all this pastime is being arranged by Yogamaya. Who is Yogamaya? Right? Yogamaya is Swarupa Shakti of Lord Krishna. And she is completely surrendered and unswavering devotion to him. And then she has got lot of prema. And then whoever receives mercy of Yogamaya, they get Krishna prema. And then that Avarana Shakti is Mahamaya. So Yogamaya acted when Krishna is born. Yogamaya acted for transferring the seventh embryo from Devaki's womb to Rohini's womb. Right? Yogamaya acted when Yashoda Mata fell asleep. Because Mahamaya cannot act on the influence on the devotees. So Vishnu Thakur explains that there are 4 stages: Jagrita Avastha, Swapna Avastha, Sushupti Avastha and Turiya. The dreaming and sleep of Rajavasis is on the 5th platform, that is Prema. So Mahamaya cannot put Yashoda like that. In the same way, the mother-in-laws of all the gopis, another secret is all these gopis are married to Krishna, covered boys, so-called covered boys, during this pastime. Actually, they were all married to Krishna only, right? And the husbands allowing, so they are also bewildered by Yogamaya, because they could not, they were not hostile towards Krishna. But Duryodhan and Salva and all, even though they saw Krishna, they were not influenced by Krishna's Yogamaya because they are inimical to Krishna. That is why they are actually influenced by Mahamaya. But when Maya Yashoda saw Vishwarup in the mouth of Krishna, when Nanda Maharaj saw Krishna in Varun Loka, they were not, that is not the work of Yogamaya, that is the work of Prema. Because of intense Prema, their Aishwarya Bhav is completely ducked, covered up. Right? So that is the secret, like that. So, even Krishna also, Yogamaya Upashritaha, while performing Rasa Leela pastime, Krishna also took shelter of Yogamaya. Yogamaya Upashritaha. So this is a very important part. So there is a lot of description about Yogamaya, maybe in the next class I can tell. So it is by the influence of Yogamaya, so Balaram also could not understand. Then now Krishna is slowly removing the Yogamaya potency, then everything will be revealed to him. What is this? So the next pastime that Brahmaji is going to see, it explains Sarvam Vishnumayam Jagat. Right? Sarvam Vishnu. Everywhere he is seeing Vishnu. So that Brahmaji is going to realize, that is, this pastime, like that. So this is a very wonderful pastime, where lot of tattva is behind this pastime. 2-3 Upanishads arthas are explained in this pastime, like that. So one day, Srila Prabhupada was taking massage, so from Dhananjay Prabhu. So Prabhupada asked him, where are you from? He said, I am from Scotland. So Dhananjay Prabhu also understood that Prabhupada had some Scottish words, accent in his, like that. Oh, I have studied in Scottish Church College. So how far it is from Scotland, from London? 400 miles. Said, when did the War of Trafalgar took place? 1805. So when this Waterloo war took place? 1815. Very good. Your knowledge of British history is same like my knowledge of British history. Like that, he made him very, easy and all that. So, then he gave him massage and all that. So another devotee was explaining. So he was explaining that how Prabhupada was very expert, because devotees used to be scared of Prabhupada, right? So seeing his effulgence and gravity and seriousness and all that. But Prabhupada was very kind, he would put the devotees at ease. Then like that. So Prabhupada said Manipur was occupied by Scottish army. So you go and preach in, because you are from Scotland, you have to deliver all these Manipuris, go and preach there. Like that, Dhananjay Prabhu. So one more devotee, I will tell one very interesting pastime. Bajahari Prabhu, not Brajahari Prabhu, Bajahari Prabhu. So he was saying that he was going with Prabhupada for a morning walk conversation. So he was very eager to ask a question to Srila Prabhupada. Then Prabhupada saw in St. James Park, Prabhupada saw this some hippies, they were sleeping on the row, park and all that. Then Prabhupada said, they can become Krishna conscious by good fortune. Prabhupada commented, like that. So Bajahari Prabhu was wondering, what is this good fortune means? Right? So that means what? By chance or what? Somebody plays a dice and then decides somebody will become a devotee, like that. So because then Prabhupada said, there is no chance, there is no question of chance in this material world. For everything there is a cause, like that. So then Prabhupada, then suddenly somehow or other he gathered courage. Then he asked Prabhupada, that Prabhupada, what do you mean by good fortune? by chance or what, luck and all that. Then Prabhupada turned towards him, said, "We are their good fortune. We are their good fortune." So he was thinking, throughout my life, he was meditating on this sentence. And then he was said, Prabhupada was very humble. Instead of saying, "I am their good fortune," he included all of us. He included all of us. Then another devotee, Prabhupada, Dhruvanath Prabhu, he was saying, he came to India and then he tried smoking ganja and all for self-realization, hallucinogenic drugs like that. So he was writing a book on the experience. Then he found somehow or other he heard Hare Krishna Kirtan. That time George Harrison Kirtan was very famous. So he thought he will take some interviews of devotees and then write a book to his experience through how to get self-realization through taking drugs. Taking drugs. So he went and then he went to London, that Bury Place temple. Then he wanted to interview some devotees. Then that time Kulashekar Prabhu was there. "Why didn't you speak to our Guru Maharaj? Prabhupada is there upstairs. Why didn't you speak to him?" He said, "Okay, no problem." So he went, both of them went. Then Kulashekara said, "See, when you see a sadhu, you must offer obeisances. Offer respect." He said, "Okay." Both of them went. And then when he saw, he was struck with wonder, seeing Prabhupada effulgence and seriousness, purity and all that. And then he became tongue-tied. Then he was thinking, like Duryodhan, he said, "When Krishna comes into the sabha, I will not offer him respect." But as soon as Krishna entered, everybody offered respect, including Duryodhan. Like that. So like that, he was thinking, Britishers and Americans, they are very proud, offering obeisance and what. But as soon as he saw Prabhupada, he fell down like a stick. He was not getting up only. Then Kulashekara said, "Now you can get up." Then he wanted to ask, the experience of, drugs and all with Prabhupada. But he became completely tongue-tied. He was just looking at Prabhupada, admiring the beauty of Prabhupada and, like that. And then Prabhupada, then he asked, "What are the symptoms of a pure devotee?" Then Prabhupada explained for 20 minutes, like that. Then Prabhupada told, it is very unfortunate that some youngsters, they think that they can experience self-realization through drugs and all. Then he was, then he understood. Prabhupada knows my mind. Then he thought it is good that I didn't ask, the questions and all, to taking drugs and all. Then Prabhupada told that you can create your own destiny, your own good fortune by your activities. Become Krishna conscious. Practice. And then whatever has been done, done. Now practice Krishna conscious in this life very seriously. He told him, in the next life you go back to Godhead. Next life you go back to Godhead. Like that. So another time Prabhupada was there and then he was talking. Some Revati Nandan Das, they were all discussing how, they were working very hard in the factory and all. Then this Bajahari Prabhu, he was explaining that he worked in a steel factory and then everybody, they were giving extra payment for working in the night shift. Then everybody was offering him. So because then it was very tough job working in the steel factory, all the heat and all that. After 15 days, he had a mental breakdown because of too much work and heat and all that. Then Prabhupada told, all of you were Brahmins in your last life. That is why you didn't like all this work. That is why you picked up Krishna consciousness very, very fast. Then around 10 devotees are there. Then Prabhupada said, actually, my spiritual master, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, sent all of you to help me in preaching. Help me in preaching. Come, let us all, again, then he was looking at everybody. Then he looked at Bajahari last time. He said, Now we are all together again. So they were in ecstasy that Prabhupada was telling them that they were Brahmins in their last life. And then, Bhaktisiddhanta sent them to preach. Like that. One last pastime I will tell. John Lennon and Yoko Ono, they were very, very famous couple that time. So Yoko Ono wanted to be with John Lennon for eternity. They were so much in love together. Then Prabhupada said it is not possible. It is not possible. He said, as soon as you die, you all will become separated. Like that. So she became very upset, it seems. Like that. So they were taking heroin. So Prabhupada, they were all staying in their estate. Right? So because Puri Place temple construction is going on. So Prabhupada, he had a very huge farmhouse, 40 miles from London, I think. Like that. So Prabhupada asked him if you can stay there. Then they agreed. Like that. But, so one day, John Lennon called Prabhupada. I made a new recording. I want you to hear new recording. Prabhupada said, okay, let us. So Prabhupada went. So they were playing the record. They were trying to play the record. He didn't play. So Dhananjay Prabhu was secretly hiding behind a window, and then he was watching everything. He didn't play. So he struggled for some time. Oh, I think you are having some difficulty in playing the record. So I have a record. I also made a record. You want to hear? So take out the tape recorder. So Prabhupada played, Hare Krishna Dhun. Hare Krishna Dhun. Then he heard for some time. He said, it's very nice. It is very nice. And then, then he said, okay, now I am going. I have some work. Then Prabhupada left. After he left, then he saw Dhananjay. Oh, you saw everything, huh? Jai. So, by Prabhupada's Maya, that gramophone record did not play only. But he didn't have to hear, this rest, rubbish material recording. But he made him hear his Hare Krishna transcendental chant. Like that. So like this, Prabhupada performing various pastimes. Thank you very much. Any questions, comments?
Hare Krishna Guruji, thank you for the nice class. So in the beginning, you were mentioning about the tattvas, Leela Tattva and then Vrajavasis and all. Very nicely you explained. So there, after some time, you were mentioning about the pastime where Prabhupada used to encourage devotees to give something when somebody does any service. So then you were telling that if somebody lifts a suitcase, then give him some 10 rupees or something. Like generally when we go outside and when we take any service from any materialist, any person outside, so we generally give some prasadam and all. But many times these people, they don't like to take such things from us. They say that no, we want only money.
Give, na?
Yeah, so we then give, but then generally we try to bargain as much as possible. So that they don't like. So what to do in that situation? You have any, if you can share something?
So when you go to Vrindavan and all, don't bargain with Vrajavasis. Give them, kya hai? So much people they waste so much of their money in watching movies and drinking alcohol, and only when it comes to, when they go to the priest, then they Jagannath ka panda lootte hain. If they go to bar and restaurant, after 4th peg or 5th peg, कम हो जाता है, पता है? क्योंकि वो नशा में रहते, पता नहीं चलता है, बोलते हैं, पता है? पता नहीं चलता है, ऐसे लूटते हैं लोग. Like that, दे दो ना, क्या बार्गेनिंग करने का? When we go to especially when you go to Dham and all, be liberal. Don't criticize, pandas are, looting and all. क्या कौन सा कितने लाख लूट लिया?
No, this is a question not meant for temples and all. Sorry, if you have misunderstood. This is a question for some other services that we take, like, when we go for repair shop or any such, purchasing and all.
It's all practical. Yeah. Prabhupada said, use your intelligence. Use your intelligence.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you for explaining us the basics. I would like to just clarify my basic understanding of the Leela. While the cowherd boys, they came to the bank, it describes in the 7th verse that they tied their calves and then they started enjoying their feast, and then the description comes that the calves, in being allured by the green grass, they went far away and got lost. So how it happened? If they are tied to the tree, how they got allured by the grass and they went far?
They were not tied properly, maybe. Huh? When very beautiful pastime, that when all the, they were actually glorifying Krishna, that, Jayati Dedikam Janmana Vraja, that, because of you all the opulences come in Vrindavan, and then all the devatas also they come, they were saying. Devatas also come. So when Krishna is performing pastimes, all the devatas, they come on their own vehicles. Indra came on his Airavat, Brahma comes on his Amsa, Shiva comes on Rishabham, and then Kumar Swami comes on peacock. Then what they do, they have this parking lot. But these, they are not, Jada vehicles. So then they all said, it seems, all you devatas are going and watching all this wonderful pastime of Krishna. Why we should keep quiet? That is why that Rishabham went and mixed with the cows, it seems. And they are also enjoying. Airavatam, that Airavat, he also, he is a white elephant, but mixed with the black elephants of Vrindavan and observing pastimes. And then this peacock also came and then mixed with all the other peacocks and all. Like that, wonderful. So you cannot, keep them tied, like that.
One more thing, Prabhuji. Now Balram is seeing that everyone's love has been increased for their own offsprings, be they calf or the cowherd men. And it would have happened to him also that his love for all his friends would have increased as much for Krishna. So it didn't evoke a question in him.
He was having anyway love for Krishna. He was with Krishna all the time. So, but they had a doubt. Then some investigation was done. All the covered men, covered women, they were discussing. A very odd thing is happening, that we are feeling so much love for our sons only, like we are feeling love for our Krishna before. Like that, some doubt they had, but because of influence of Yogamaya, they did not investigate thoroughly. The same thing happened to Baldev also. Some doubt he had, but because of Yogamaya influence, he didn't investigate. Then because Krishna lifted the wheel of Yogamaya, now he is understanding. Oh, Hare. Hemgiri Prabhu, any comments?
What was the question? So you said some comment of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. You mentioned a comment by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur on this, that Krishna is not loving as gopis are loving. Can you clarify that?
What is that?
You mentioned in the class that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur comments. Can you repeat that comment again?
He is telling that the gopis used to love their boys as much as Krishna, But in turn, Krishna was not actually loving as much their
Coward boys. But Krishna was loving them as he was loving them. The coward, their sons, they are not loving their mothers so much because their attention is diverted to Krishna. They are loving Krishna more, not their mothers. But here, when Krishna, while acting as the sons of all these coward ladies, he should have acted like them only. But Krishna was showing lot of love for their mothers. Why it is like that? Then Krishna Chakra explains, it is because of prema. Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Grandhara Srimad Bhagavatam ki.
हरे कृष्णा। भक्त हो बैठिए। देखो ये जो लीला है, कल के श्लोक की और आज की श्लोक की जो लीला है, इस लीला को मैंने एक बार सुनाया था यदुरानी के मुखारविंद से। उन्होंने बताया था कि ये जब ये कृष्ण बुक रेडी होने का जा रहा था तब ये क्लास चल रहा था और क्लास में प्रभुपाद जी वहाँ पर पीछे जाके देखो वो ग्वाल बच्चे आ रहे हैं और वो ग्वाल आ रहे हैं, गले लग रहे हैं और तीन आर्टिस्ट लोगों ने बनाया वो पिक्चर। तीन आदमी का नाम है उधर, मुझे नाम आई डोंट नो इंग्लिश नाम है तो इसलिए भूल गया। तो प्रभुपाद जी वो तीनों को बिठाए थे सामने ऐसे और उनके हाथ में कैच था और प्रभुपाद लेक्चर दे रहे थे। इसके बारे में जो कल का श्लोक है, खास तौर पे कल का और आज का, इसके प्रभुपाद लेक्चर दे रहे कैसे कैसे वो आए, जैसे कानक रस्सी से बांधा था क्या, छुटे थे क्या था, कैसे आए, बलराम जी क्या कर रहा था, तो और उसी प्रकार वो ड्राइंग करते गए और उसी प्रकार एक बार दो बार तीन बार 3 घंटे तक वो ड्राइविंग चली। उसके बाद प्रभुपाद ने पास कर दिया कि ये पिक्चर करेक्ट है। तो आप परिक्रमा में जाके देख सकते हैं वो जो ग्वाल बाल आ रहे हैं दोनों साइड से और वो दौड़ रहे हैं। कल के श्लोक में एक वर्ड भी आया कि क्रोध, उनको गुस्सा भी आया, अरे कितना क्या है, इतने बच्चे दौड़ से क्यों भाग रहे हैं, क्या वजह है, इनको कैसे रोका जाए। लेकिन वो बच्चे नहीं रुके, वो बच्चे अपने गाय के पास गए और वो ग्वाल के जो बछड़े थे वो भी अपने माता भाई पिताजी के पास आ गए। तो ये जो लीला है यदुरानी के मुख से मैंने सुना था कि प्रभुपाद जी इसी प्रकार से वो ड्राइविंग करते सामने बिठा के अपने भक्तों को वो लेक्चर देते थे और वो ड्राइविंग करते थे। धन्यवाद। हरे कृष्ण।
Thank you. Yadurani Mataji, she was initially she went and asked Prabhupada, you know that Ishopanishad picture, cover picture. So she wanted to know Vishnu is standing or lying in the heart. Then Prabhupada said, it will take lifetimes to know.
हरे कृष्ण।
Then Yadurani Mataji face became black. Said, okay, no, he was standing.
और उसने लास्ट में एक बात बताई थी यदुरानी जी ने, उन्होंने कहा कि प्रभुपाद जी ने मुझे ये केशव का कितना लोग बुक देखा, कृष्णा केशव, ईशोपनिषद के ऊपर भी एक किताब था पहले केशव, वो यदुरानी जी ने बनाया। तो वो जब पिक्चर बना रही थी तब उन्होंने महसूस किया कि प्रभुपाद उनके अंदर घुस गए और प्रभुपाद ड्राइविंग कर रहे क्या। वो सामने बैठ के वो बोली कि प्रभुपाद मेरे अंदर आ गए और वो प्रभुपाद ने लिखा है वो कि तो वो जो बुक जो पिक्चर है वो प्रभुपाद ने लिखा है, मैंने नहीं लिखा है, क्योंकि मैंने भगवान को ऐसे देखा ही नहीं था। उसके ऊपर सांप है, उसके चतुर्भुज है, ये सब मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं था। वो लेक्चर दे रहे थे लेकिन मैं ऐसा महसूस किया कि प्रभुपाद इनसाइड मी एंड ही इज ड्राइविंग। हरे कृष्ण।
Thank you Radha Krishna Prabhu. She wanted to go and learn, you know, Michelangelo, some all these, you know, Picasso and all. Prabhupada chastised her. You know, we are not here for pleasing public. You know, you depend on Krishna, Krishna will teach you how to paint. Don't learn all these things. We don't want to become famous artists. That's why Prabhupada said, all our paintings are windows to the spiritual world.
हरे कृष्णा। वैष्णव परिवार में विषमता में समता है। जैसे पार्वती का जो वाहन है वो सिंह है और शिव जी का वाहन वृषभ है। वो सिंह वृषभ को खाता नहीं है। जनरली सिंह बैल को खा सकता है, लेकिन वो वैष्णव होने पर वो सिंह नहीं खाता है। पार्वती का वाहन है सिंह और शिव जी का वाहन वृषभ है, तो वो सिंह वृषभ को नहीं खाता है। और
नहीं प्रभु, आप गलत है। एक्चुअली वाई लॉर्ड शिवा ड्रैंक पॉइजन,
हाँ
पता है आपको?
नहीं, बताइए
क्या? वाई लॉर्ड शिवा ड्रैंक पॉइजन? बिकॉज सो मच फैमिली प्रॉब्लम। Because Rishabh and Tigress, they were always, Tigress is always, trying to eat Rishabh. And then Lord Shiva is trying to protect. And then there is a snake around his neck. And then this peacock is always fond of eating snake. And then he's always trying to eat, this snake. And then he was trying to protect. And the snake is trying to eat Mushika. गणेश जी का वाहन, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करते करते फिर इसी बीच में दूसरी परी आ गई, फिर दोनों के बीच में प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो उसको सिर पे पिटाना पड़ा। इतना प्रॉब्लम हो गया, विष पी के मर जाना अच्छा है। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण। यह बात अभी तक किसी को बताई नहीं, किसको पता ही नहीं था।